This is how to install the MRCOOL Monoblock heat pump. Let's take a look at the mounting template. You'll want to avoid studs where your ventilation holes are. The stud should fall between the vent holes and in this specific mounting bar hole. Now, tape up the template and use a level to make sure it's perfectly straight before you mark anything. Next, mark the centers of each vent hole, one for the drain hole, and the stud hole for the mounting bar. Start with one screw into the stud hole to hold the bar in place. Level the bar, mark your remaining hole positions, drill and set your wall anchors, then drive in the rest of the screws to fully secure the bar. Now, using the marks you made, you'll line up the vent's interior cap with the hole you marked for the vent's center. The inside edge of the internal vent cap should be 4 inches from the center of the vent hole. Trace a line around it to indicate where you'll cut the 8-inch vent holes. Now, with your circles traced, cut the interior side with a drywall knife. For the exterior side, drill 4 pilot holes straight through from the interior, matching the top, left, right, and bottom of your cut hole at a minimum of 5 degrees downward. For the drain pipe, you need a 1-inch bit or hole saw. Drill this at a 5 degrees downward angle as well. Then step outside, take the vent piece, line it up with those 4 holes and trace around it. This gives you your cutting line matching your interior hole. For the vent tubing, roll the sheet around the outside of the vent piece to shape it. Tape the seam to hold the roll, then slide the tube into the hole so that it's flush on the interior side. Then mark it on the outside where it's flush, and cut off the excess. Then you can match that piece to the other tubing and cut it to the right size. Now slide the tubing onto the white interior vent piece. Attach the exterior vent cover to the other end, and pull the chain through to the indoor ring. Cut it to length and attach it to the clip. To feed the entire vent assembly through the hole, fold the exterior vent cover in half, place it inside the tubing, slide it through the hole. Once you're outside, pull it through and expand the exterior cover. Pull it tight to seat it against the wall. Next, peel the backing off the ceiling strip and press it around the entire back perimeter of the unit, starting at the bottom and working around. Now the unit is ready to be lifted onto the mounting bar. Feed the drain pipe through its hole as you go and hook it onto the bar. At the bottom of the monoblock, attach the fixed plate to the unit. Then mark where the wall anchor needs to go. Remove the plate, set the anchor, then reattach the plate to the unit and secure it to the wall. And finally, plug it in. Press the power button on the plug and the system powers on. That's it! You've successfully installed the MRCOOL Monoblock heat pump. For more detailed specs and troubleshooting, refer to the manual. Thanks for watching.